Yo, what's up guys? I'm really excited right now. Why am I excited? Because Itel just sent me their latest Itel P40 device. It's a 4G smart device and it comes packed with lots of features. Without wasting much of the time, let's first check what exactly comes in the box when you get one, so that you don't get swindled when you get to the market. Now that you have seen what's inside the box, now let's get to the other juicy part. That is the specs. It comes with a 6.6 HD Plus screen, which has a water drop design and gives you this immersive viewing experience. It comes with 7 GB of RAM. Well, technically out of the box is 4, but you could increase it courtesy of the memory fusion option to as much as 7 GB. So with 7 GB, I don't think you experience anything like lag. That's a big plus for this Itel P40 device. Of course, it comes with a 4G, so you don't have to worry about the network problem. You are assured that the network is going to be as fast as possible. It comes with a 13 megapixel, and I took some sample pictures which you can see. You can see they are fantastic in broad daylight. They take very super amazing pictures. It comes with 6000 mAh battery, which Itel promises is going to give you 14 hours of browsing on your phone. So you are sure that you don't need to run around charging. This device will deliver. What is big battery without fast charger? This device did not disappoint. It comes with an 18-watt fast charger. So you are assured that even though you have a big battery, you're not going to spend long hours trying to charge your device. You are sure that your device will be charged as fast as it can. I'm going to be doing several of these videos telling you about the game test and other things I could try out with this device. Stay tuned to my channel, make sure you are subscribed, and see you in the next one.